Hey sleepyheads, this is Brian from Sleepy Circuits. Here's a quick video about powering and connecting your Hypno. If you intend to use your Hypno's HDMI output, please plug an HDMI cable into your display, power the display on, and then plug the other end of the HDMI cable into Hypno. Once everything is connected, you'll be ready to power your Hypno. We recommend using a 5-volt power brick or power adapter that can provide at least 2 amps. Hypno will automatically use the HDMI output if it is connected to an active display on boot. If no display is detected, most Hypnos will default to the composite output. The only exceptions are Hypnos built with Raspberry Pi 4, which require the composite output to be activated manually in the firmware, and CM4 Hypnos, which lack composite output altogether. Hypnos built with Raspberry Pi 4 will not initialize NDI unless an HDMI cable is connected and transmitting a signal upon power up. Always make sure to connect that HDMI first.